motor starter, controller, and then you use it for lighting or. But the bottom part is if you have a motor, you have to have the bottom part. We'll use this, to make three-phase motors connection. Basically, this is like the diagram. It looks like. Just looking at it, it's like, oh, I can't sleep. Looking at this, it looks like too complicated. But these are just 3 wires connect the motor, basically connected through. So these dot lines are the contactors. Basically, these 3 contactors. So you connect, the top part you connect the wire N1, N2, and 3. So the other part is, so this is a contactor. This is the overload controller, this part of it. So it has overload protection, basically that. And then the rest of it is just, these are additional things. So we'll do this basically. When we go to the board, basically we can, looks complicated, but we can do this. Basically, it just tells you how to diagnose it. You just continue, you can look at continuity. So one way is you do continuity too. Yeah, continuity basically. Because this is like a transformer, so you can see the secondary part, you can see the primary part. So, all right, so this is just, just watch it at home.